Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and today we are going to revise chapter number 15. The name of the chapter is Our Beautiful Earth. Children, we have already covered these topics. Let's see. Through points to remember: living planet, earth, land, water, air, uses of air, water, sources of water, uses of water, land, plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys and deserts. Children, let's see living planet. Now children, do you know our planet earth is a living planet? Why is it called a living planet? Because life is possible only on earth. Now children, earth has land, water and air. What earth has? Earth has land, water and air. Now let's see each topic one by one. First is air. Children, do you know what is air made up of? Air is made up of many gases. We cannot see air but we feel it, and you know we breathe air that is rich in oxygen and we breathe out air that is rich in carbon dioxide. Now children, there are different uses of air. Air is used for fire burning. You must have seen so many people near roadside fanning a bonfire. If they will not fan a bonfire, it will not burn. Fire only burns because of air. Air is used for filling tires, filling balloons, etc. We can enjoy many sports in air like paragliding, ballooning, etc. Let's move further. Next is water. Children, water is used in many ways. Like first of all, there are different sources of water. From where? Sources means from where we get water. We get water from sources such as rainfall, lakes, ponds, streams, rivers and wells. Children, these are the different sources of water. Next is uses of water. Water is used at many places, like we drink water when we are thirsty. We should always drink clean water. How we can clean water? By boiling and filtering, because water from oceans and lakes is salty. So we should always drink clean water, and how we should clean our water? By boiling and filtering. Now let's see what are the different uses of water. Different uses of water are: water is used to cook food, to bathe, to wash, to irrigate and to enjoy sports. Now children, you know factories should be outside the city. Why? Because it makes air polluted. Now factories should not be nearby water because it makes water dirty. Next is land. Land is different at different places. Different types of land such as plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys and desert. These are different types of land. Now land. Plains. Large areas of flat land. What are plains, children? Large areas of flat land are called plains. Most of the people live on plains. Farmers grow crops on plains. Plateaus, land that is high. Children, higher land than plains, land that is higher than plains is called plateaus. Next is hills, higher than plateaus. Now children, what are hills? Hills are higher than plateaus. Plain flat land, little higher, that is plateau, and after plateau, little higher than plateau, that are hills. Next is mountains, highest pieces of lands. Now children, mountains are the highest pieces of lands. Some mountains are covered with snow, and children, do you know when snow melts, it comes down in form of water. Next is valleys, fertile areas in between hills and mountains. Children, fertile land, fertile areas in between hills and mountains are called valleys. Many crops are grown in valleys also. Next, desert. What are desert? Desert are hot and dry areas. I hope you have revised and you have understood this chapter with me. Now let's revise its bookwork and copy work. Let's see children, page number 82 first. We have to complete this game. Where is Delhi? Where is Delhi? It is in India, because here we have to name the country. In which country Delhi is? Delhi is in India. Where is India? Name the continent. Here we have to name the continent. Where is India? It is in Asia. So here we will write Asia. Last, where is Asia? Now name the planet. We have different planets, but on which planet we live? Which planet is called a living planet? It is Earth. So where is Asia? It is on Earth. So here we will write Earth. Children, let's move. Open page number 8888. Question A, fill in the blanks. First, Earth is called a dash planet. Now Earth is called which planet? Earth is called a living planet. Why it is called a living planet? Because life is possible only on Earth. So we will write living over here. Dash is made up of many gases. Now what is made up of many gases? I explained you just now, we revised just now. Yes, air is made up of many gases. So we will write air over here. Dash helps to make water free from germs, boiling and filtering. So we should drink water after boiling and filtering. So answer is boiling and filtering. Number 4, large areas of flat land are called dash. Now we have different types of land, different land is there on different places, but large areas of flat land are called what? Large areas of flat land are called plains. So answer is plains. Dash are hot and dry areas. Now which type of land is hot and dry? The answer is desert. So deserts are hot and dry areas. We will write deserts over here. Now children, let's write and learn these spellings. Let's see. First, number 1. Earth is called a dash planet. Earth is called a living planet. So let's learn the spelling of living. 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 Number 2. Dash is made up of many gases. What is made up of many gases? Air. So let's learn AIR, air. A will be capital. Number 3. Dash helps to make water free of germs. What makes water free of germs? Boiling and filtering. Let's learn the spelling. BOILING, boiling. B will be capital, and AND, and filtering. FILTERING, filtering. Boiling and filtering makes water free of germs. Number 4th, large areas of flat land are called dash. Now what are large areas of flat land called? Large areas of flat land are called plains. So let's learn the spelling of plains. PLAINS, plains. Number 5. Dash are hot and dry areas. Which areas are hot and dry? Deserts. So spelling of desert, deserts, DESERTS, deserts. D will be capital. Now children, I hope you have learned all the spellings with me. Now let's switch to next question. Give reasons. Here we have to give reasons. Number 1, people fan a bonfire. Now why people fan a bonfire? To make the fire burn. Why people fan a bonfire? To make the fire burn. Number 2, factories should be outside the city. Why factories should be outside the city? We revised just now. Because smoke makes the air dirty. It makes air polluted. So factories should be outside the city. Let's repeat the answer. Because smoke makes the air dirty. Number 3, we do not use the water of seas and oceans. Why we do not use the water of seas and oceans? Why we can't drink the water of seas and oceans? Because it is salty. So, because it is salty. What we should do before using it? We should boil and filter the water. Next, number 4, we must not throw waste in water. Why we should not throw waste in water? Because it makes water dirty. What happens when we throw waste in water? It makes water dirty. So, we should not throw waste in water. Let's repeat the answer. Because it makes water dirty. I hope you have revised and learned bookwork with me. Now, let's revise its copy work. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Name 2 gases present in air. Now, children, air is made up of many gases. Here we have to write 2 gases. We will write air which we breathe in and which we breathe out. We breathe in air which is rich in oxygen and we breathe out air that is rich in carbon dioxide. So, these are the 2 gases. Number 1, oxygen, OXYGEN. Number 2, carbon dioxide, CARBON, carbon, DIOXIDE, dioxide. So, 2 gases present in air are oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question 2. Write down 3 uses of air. In this question we have to write 3 uses of air. Answer. 3 uses of air are: number 1, air is used for breathing. Yes, it is the main point. Air is used for what? Air is used for breathing because we breathe in air and we breathe out air. So, spelling of breathing, BREATHING, breathing. Number 2, it keeps a fire burning. Now, people fan a bonfire and as I gave you the example, if there will be no air, it will not be able to burn a fire. So, yes, it keeps a fire burning. FIRE, fire, BURNING, burning. Number 3, it is also used to pump balloons and tires, etc. With the help of air, we pump balloons, we pump tires and many more. So, spelling of balloons is BALLOONS, balloons. Tires, TYRES, tires. Now, question 3, mention 4 uses of water. Here we have to write, we have to revise the uses of water, how water is used, what is the purpose of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. DRINKING, drinking, COOKING, cooking, BATHING, bathing and WASHING, washing. So, water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. Children, let us see next question. What are the sources of water? In the previous question, we revised what are the uses of water. In this question, we have to revise we have to see what are the different sources of water. That means from where we get water. The sources of water are rainfall, lakes, ponds, streams, rivers and wells. RAIN, rain, FALL, fall, rainfall, LAKES, lakes, PONDS, ponds, STREAMS, streams, RIVERS, rivers and WELLS, wells. What are these? These are the different sources of water. Now, children, I hope you have revised the chapter with me properly. Do watch the recorded videos. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.